Oh, hey guys, I didn't see you there. I'm just fixing my flat tire real quick. I'm stranded, and luckily, I got this nice bicycle repair kit to fix my tube. Let's get this tube out real quick. Let's see where the hole is. The tube out. Luckily, I got this kit by Rock Bros. Comes with everything you need, including the tire spoons, because these tire spoons are a lifesaver. Right off the bat, they give you the 2 tire spoons, they give you a nice tire patch kit, they give you a whole Allen key set, they give you a nice multi-tool to tighten your rims and take off everything else you need, and they give you the air pump to fill up your flat tire, as well as a nice case to store right there on your frame to fix this tube. So watch this. We're gonna put a little air in here so we can find where our hole is. We found our hole. Now if you look right here, there's the hole. You can see it. We're gonna file down our hole a little bit so we have a nice base for that patch to bite into so she won't come off. So we're just gonna file it down a little bit, get it nice and rough. This kit is nice because they give you the small plugs, the round plugs, and the big one. So no matter what size hole you have in your tube, you can patch it. And they give you the rubber cement too. I'm gonna take a little bit of the rubber cement and we're gonna put it on the back side. You're gonna take a little bit, you're gonna rub it in so it's uniform all around. We know where our hole is, we have it filed down, we have a nice rough surface. We'll take our patch, put it right over there. We're gonna hold it over, and we're just gonna hold it for a couple minutes. Alright, it's been a few minutes. We're not gonna put any air in it, but we can start reassembling our back tire. You go through the tire, make sure there's no remnants of anything in there that gave you the flat tire to begin with. Check both sides, inside the tire and rim side. Make sure everything looks good. Everything checks out, you can put your tube in. Start with the valve side, put it in the hole. Start stuffing your tube into the tire. Make sure you're not going to pinch it, overlap it, make sure she's straight. And you can start closing the tire. Get one of your tire spoons. And just walk it in real quick. Just like that. Put it on the bike. Give it a little bit more time for that tube to dry. So we got our back tire back on. We got our chain on. Nothing's hitting. Now we can put air in our back tube. And there you have it, guys. We're mobile again. I would not have been able to do it without that bicycle repair kit built into the bicycle right there. So guys, take advantage of those savings. Click that link and get yours. Also would appreciate it. Give this video a like and you follow for more great deals.